Hi kids, please turn to page 1 now. Here we got the magic hat. When we put the things in the magic hat, it becomes double when it's out. So now we have to draw the outcome in the box. Take a look at question 1. The magician is putting some rabbits into the magic hat. How many rabbits are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 rabbits. So we draw 5 circles to represent 5 rabbits. If we put 5 rabbits in the magic hat, how many rabbits is in the outcome? Yes, it is a double of 5. So we draw 5 more circles. And then next question, the magician is putting some rows in the magic hat. How many rows are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 rows. So we put 6 circles to represent 6 rows. And how many rows are there in the outcome? Yes, it should be the double of 6. So we put 6 more circles. And then we move on to page 2. Question 1. At the beginning, we have 5 rabbits. If we double the number, it is 5 plus 5. And it is equals to 10. If we draw the fact family, so we will put number 10 on top. And then 5 plus 5 equals to 10. If 5 plus 5 equals to 10, then 10 minus 5 equals to 5. So this is what we call double fact. If we know how to use double fact to add, we can also use double fact to subtract. And then we take a look at question 2. At the beginning, we have 6 rows. And then we double 6, so it is 6 plus 6. 6 plus 6 equals to 12. So we use the double fact to add. And then we can also use the double fact to subtract. We know that 6 plus 6 equals to 12. Then 12 minus 6 equals to 6. And then we move on to page 3. Find and circle the double fact. Then add. Okay, so let's take a look at the first question. It is 1 plus 1. That is 1 block plus 1 block. Because the two addends is the same, so it is a double fact. Let's circle it. And 1 plus 1 equals to 2. And then next question, it is 5 plus 5. That is 5 blocks plus 5 blocks. Is it a double fact? Yes, because the addends are the same. So we circle it. 5 plus 5 equals to 10. How about next question? 2 plus 1. That is 2 blocks plus 1 block. Is it a double fact? No, the addends are not the same, so it is not a double fact. How about next question? 2 plus 2. 2 blocks plus 2 blocks. Is it a double fact? Yes. And 2 plus 2 equals to 4. How about next one? 2 plus 3. 2 plus 3, that means 2 blocks plus 3 blocks. Is it a double fact? Are the addends the same? No. How about next one? 4 plus 4. 4 blocks plus 4 blocks. Is it a double fact? Yes, the addends are the same, so we circle it, and 4 plus 4 equals to, yes, it's 8. Last one, 3 plus 3. 3 blocks plus 3 blocks. Is it a double fact? Are the addends the same? Yes, and 3 plus 3 equals to 6. And then we move on to page 7. Again, we have to find and circle the double facts. Then add. So the first question, it is 9 plus 9. Is it a double fact? Yes, because the addends is the same. So 9 plus 9 equals to... Do you still remember the 10 frame set? In the first 10 frame set, we put 9 circles. And then in the second 10 frame set, we put 9 circles. And then now, in the first set, if we put 1 more circles, it becomes 110. So we move 1 circle up. Now, in the first set, there are 10 circles, and in the second set, there are 8 circles. So it is 110 and 8, which is 18. Next question, it is 6 plus 6. Again, it is also a double fact. And 6 plus 6, we can also use the 10 frame set. In the first set, we put 6 circles, and then in the second set, we also put 6 circles. And now, in the first set, you can see that if we put 4 more circles, it becomes 110. So we move 4 circles up. Now, in the first set, there are 10 circles, and in the second set, there are 2 circles. So it is 110 and 2, which is 12. Next, it is 8 plus 8. Again, it is also a double fact. And 8 plus 8, we use the 10 frame set. We put 8 circles in the first set. And in the second set, we also put 8 circles. And now you can see that in the first set, if we put 2 more circles, it becomes 110. So we move 2 circles up. And now in the first set, there are 10 circles. In the second set, there are 6 circles. So it is 110 and 6, which is 16. Next question, it is 10 plus 10. It is also a double fact. And 10 plus 10 is very simple. It is 2 tens, which is 20. Next question, it is 6 plus 7. It is not a double fact. Also, 9 plus 8 is not a double fact. And the last one is 7 plus 7. It is a double fact. And 7 plus 7, we put 7 circles in the first 10 frame set. And in the second set, also 7 circles. And now in the first set, if we put 3 more circles, it becomes 110. So we move 3 circles up. And now in the first set, there are 10 circles, and in the second set, there are 4 circles. It is 110 and 4, which is 14. And then we move on to page 8. Use double facts to subtract. Okay, so we take a look at question 1. Question 1, here we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 blocks plus 6 blocks. And 6 plus 6 equals to 12. Altogether, there are 12 blocks. And if we crossed out 6 blocks, that means half of it. There are still 6 blocks left. So we draw the fact family. We know that 6 plus 6 equals to 12. Then 12 minus 6 equals to 6. And then next question, there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 blocks plus 7 blocks. And altogether, there are 14 blocks. If we take away half of it, how many are left? So we know that 7 plus 7 equals to 14. Then 14 minus 7 equals to 7. So we write down here, 14 minus 7 equals to 7. Next question, so how many blocks are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 plus 8. And 8 plus 8 equals to 16. Altogether, there are 16 blocks. So if we know that 8 plus 8 equals to 16, then if we take away half, 16 minus 8 equals to 8. So 8 blocks are left. And for the last question, please try to finish by yourself at home. And then we move on to page 12. Take a look at question 1. 7 plus 2 and 2 plus 7. So we draw the fact family. 7 plus 2 and 2 plus 7. So you can see that if we change the order of the addends, the answer is still the same. So 7 plus 2 equals to 9. So 2 plus 7 also equals to 9. And then we move on to next question. 6 plus 3 and 3 plus 6. Again, we draw the fact family. 6 plus 3 actually equals to 3 plus 6. Just change the order of the addend. The answer is still the same. So 6 plus 3 equals to... Yes, it is equals to 9. 6 plus 3 equals to 9. And 3 plus 6 also equals to 9. Next question. It is 3 plus 4. And then 4 plus 3. Again, we just change the order of the addends. It doesn't affect the answer. 4 plus 3 equals to 3 plus 4. So 4 plus 3 equals to... Yes, it's 7. So 3 plus 4 equals to 7 and 4 plus 3 equals to 7. Last question, it is 5 plus 2 and 2 plus 5. Again, we draw the fact family. We know that 5 plus 2 equals to 2 plus 5. And 5 plus 2 equals to 7. So 2 plus 5 equals to 7. And then we move on to page 13. Use double facts to solve the problems. So take a look at question 1. Isabel buys 18 mugs from the store. She breaks 9 of them. So how many mugs does Isabel have left? So take a look at the pictures below. On the left there are 9 mugs, and on the right there are also 9 mugs. We know that 9 plus 9 equals to 18. So this is a double fact. Isabel has 18 mugs at the beginning and she breaks 9 of them. That means half of it. So let's cross out 9 mugs. Now, how many mugs does Isabel have left? Yes, half of it, which is 9. 18 minus 9 equals to 9. And then next question. Others has 6 toy cars. He let Kelvin play with 3 toy cars. So how many toy cars does Others have left? Okay, take a look at the pictures. So in the first row there are 3 toy cars, and in the second row there are 3 toy cars. And altogether it is 3 plus 3, which is 6. And Others has 6 toy cars. And he left Calvin to play with 3 toy cars, so we cross out 3 toy cars. And 6 minus 3 equals to 3. This is a double fact, so 3 toy cars are left. Last question. Margot bought 14 pairs. She gave 7 of the pairs to his sister. So how many pairs does Margot have left? So on the pictures, on the left there are 7 pairs, and on the right there are 7 pairs. 7 plus 7 equals to 14, and Margot has 14 pairs at the beginning. And then she gave 7 of the pairs to his sister, so we cross out 7 pairs, which is half of it. So how many pairs does Margot have left? Yes, 7, because 14 minus 7 equals to 7. Margot has 7 pairs left.